Hi everyone, so in this video we will discuss about the MDI Murshidabad MBA college. So basically MDI Murshidabad offers 2 years full-time residential PGDM program for 2022 and 24 batch. And if we talk about the eligibility criteria for MDI Murshidabad, so basically you have the valid score for CAT 2021, and also you have at least 50% marks in equivalent CGPA in both 10th and 12th, and in also graduation also. And if you have also the at least a 3 years bachelor degree. So basically that is the eligibility criteria to get admission in the MDI Murshidabad. And if we talk about the last date to apply for MDI Murshidabad, so basically the last date to apply MDI Murshidabad is 11th February 2020, and the application form fee is 1180. So once again I remind you that the last date for apply for MDI Murshidabad is 11th February 2020. So this is the very important date to apply, and after that you will not eligible to apply in the MDI Murshidabad. So early as soon as possible apply for MDI Murshidabad. And if we talk about the phase 1, so basically phase 1 and now start the phase 2. And if we talk about the fee structures of the MDI Murshidabad, so basically the first year fees is the 6,68,213, and for second year fees is the 6,49,687. If we add both of them, so the fees is approx 13,70,900. So if you pay the fees like approx 13 lakhs, so it's also a good college in the terms of the placement. So in the next part of the video we will also talk about the placement of the MDI Murshidabad. And the good thing is that if you want to pay the fees, so you will have to pay the fees in the 6 installment. Like in the first year there will be the 3 installment, and in the second year there will be other 3 installment. But and that's also the good thing for the MDI Murshidabad. Basically the MDI Murshidabad it comes in the premier institute of the SBI scholar loan. So basically from the SBI you will get loan approx on the only just 7%. And this is the good thing that you will get the education loan without the collateral. And the same things apply in the Canara Bank also, and same thing also in the Bank of Baroda. And there is also the scheme of a Vidya Lakshmi scheme. So basically you can apply through the Vidya Lakshmi portal for all the 3 banks, and according to that you can easily get the loan. So basically in the terms of the loan, that is the good college because it is the premier institute. So basically the interest rate is also low for the MDI Murshidabad. And if we talk about the campus amenities, like here you will get ATMs, health club, canteen, general store facilities, swimming pools, cafeteria, and 24 into 7 power backup with 2 DG sets. So basically and Bloomberg lab. So basically this is the very good campus, and be compared to this campus to other baby IMs like IM Sirmaur, IM Sambalpur. So there is no permanent campus, but MDI Murshidabad have a good campus and good facility with the world class faculties. And if we talk about the academic clubs of the MDI Murshidabad, so basically for the market there is the club of the Markron, and for finance people here is the club for Fanartha. So they give update for all the students related to their particular stream. Like for Opsilence club here is for operations, and HR Udbhav club for HR, and other club like EcoMinds for the economics people, and for Analytica for the analytics. And here is also the one more club is the Compete Up. So basically they tell us that how to compete with the other student also. So there are a lot of clubs and committee in the MDI Murshidabad, so you will get a very good environment in the MDI Murshidabad. So it makes the right choice for everyone. And if we talk about the final placement. So basically this is the very important criteria, like most of the students wait for the final placement, like if you are paying approx 30 lakh fees, so it is the right choice for you or not. So now we talk about the final placement report of 2020 to 22 batch of MDI Murshidabad. So now start. So now we both there, he is the director sir, and he is the director sir of the MDI Murshidabad, like Professor Dr. Atmanand sir. And he is the very good director, and he was previously director of the MDI Gurgaon also. So in the leadership of the director sir, the MDI Murshidabad achieve a very good placements. And now we talk about the batch demographic. So you can watch like gender diversity. So basically in the MDI Murshidabad there was 72% male and 28% female student. And we talk about the academic background. So here you can watch that here are very diverse background, like BTech is the 32% and BCom is the 32%, BBA 40%, 14%, and BSc is 15%, and others is 7%. So here BTech and like engineers and BCom students are equal. So that is the good for all the diverse background student. And if we talk about the work experience, so now the freshers are a lot. So and for we talk about the work as, so for 0 to 1 year that is only 10%, for 1 to 2 years that is the 14%, and for 2 plus year there is the 15%. And if we talk about the placement highlights, so that is the very important slide, like most of the students want to know like what is the final placement for MDI Murshidabad for this year, like they will pay approx 13 lakh fees. So that is the right choice or not. Like if we talk about the placement, so now approx 50 total recruiters comes in the campus for hiring the student, and 34 new recruiters. And the average package was for the MDI Murshidabad by 11.30 LPA. So that is the really a very good package in compared to baby IIMs and other B schools. So if you pay the approx 30 lakh P, and if you get the placement of the 11.32 LPA, so I think that is the good deal in terms of the ROI. So in the terms of the ROI, the MDI Murshidabad is the best B schools of the country. And now we talk about the median package. So median package is also so good, like 10 LPA, and the highest package offered was approx 20 lakh. But no student convert. But here the placement committee is also hardworking, like they approach for to come the approx 22 LPA company. So that is the good things. And the highest package received by a student, that was the 14 LPA. So in the terms of ROI, if we talk about that, I think that the MDI Murshidabad is the best B school for the country. So you can also watch that placements highlight. So this is the very good placement. If you pay approx 30 lakh fee, so then 11.32 LP is the very good placement. And if we talk about the sector wise breakdowns so basically the most of the placement were in the BFSI, like bankings and finance sectors, and after that some placements were IT sectors, some was management consulting, and some 10% was in the others. So basically that was the sectors by breakdowns of the placement. And if we talk about the domain wise placement, so basically the 60% placement in the marketing domain, and after that 14% in the finance domain, and HR for 70%, and for analytics 7%, and for operation 2%. And here are some job roles, like in the marketing domain you will get this type of the job role, and for finance you will get this type of the job role, and HR and supply chain domain, or operation, and for analytic domain. So these are the job roles for the student who got after the place from the MDI Murshidabad. So you can take also the screenshot of this, and you can read this, like I think that all they cover all the job roles in terms of the placement. And now we talk about the our prominent recruiters. So basically these are the companies that comes to hire the student. And now we can watch that there are top companies here like Byju's, Axis Bank, and Cognizant, Digit, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and there are a lot of good companies like Infosys, HDFC Life. So you can watch that there are very good company comes in the campus. And here are some other also like MI, Tech Mahindra, Tata Capital. So in the terms of the placements, that is the very good college. And terms of the if we talk about the terms of the ROI is also the very big, good schools. Like if we compare that, a lot of their B schools have the fees approx 20 lakh plus, but and they have not placements approx 11.32 lakh. So in that, if we talk about in the terms of the ROI, so I think that the MDI Murshidabad is the best B schools of the country. So thank you.